Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to gently unpack the principles behind this 7-day mind reset. If you've been feeling just completely overwhelmed lately, consider this your practical, calming guide to stepping out of that mental chaos. We aren't looking at overnight miracles here, and we're definitely not asking for massive life overhauls. Instead, we're focusing on a really simple, step-by-step approach to untangling our thoughts and finding a bit of everyday clarity.
So let me ask you something. Do you ever wake up already feeling mentally exhausted? It's incredibly common. So many of us begin our days with this heavy, sinking sense of overwhelm before we've even had a chance to pour that first cup of coffee. We literally open our eyes and boom, the mind just starts racing with everything we have to do, essentially borrowing stress from tomorrow.
And that creates what we call mental noise. It's this constant barrage of emails, endless to-do lists, and spiraling thoughts. It's like trying to walk through a thick, heavy fog that just drains your energy and leaves you feeling trapped in this daily cycle of overthinking, completely unmoored from the present moment. It feels utterly exhausting. But the good news? We can absolutely learn to step out of it. Part 1. Why the mind loops. Let's look at why our brains actually get stuck in these exhausting patterns.
The absolutely crucial point to understand here is that overthinking isn't a personal failure. Actually, scratch that. It's not a character flaw at all. It is simply a learned behavior. It often stems from a deep, very human desire for control, or perhaps a fear of failure, which ends up trapping us in a cycle of rumination. When the world feels unpredictable, our brain tries to protect us by overanalyzing every little detail. It's a coping mechanism, right? But it's one that ultimately just burns us out.
To break these loops, we first have to figure out what actually sets them off. Common triggers usually fall into 3 buckets. First, we have emotional triggers, like a sudden wave of anxiety or guilt. Then there are situational events, think of a looming deadline or a difficult conversation. And finally, cognitive thoughts, like perfectionism or that harsh inner critic that just demands way too much. By identifying exactly which bucket your stress falls into, you can actually pause the spiral before it gains momentum. Part 2, the 7-day mind reset. Let's move into a practical framework. So how do we reclaim that lost mental space? Well, this guide uses a 7-day approach. Why 7? Because 7 days is a really powerful, realistic time frame. It's not some lengthy, exhausting program that requires hours of free time you don't have. It's just enough time to gently interrupt those mental loops and establish a new, much calmer relationship with your thoughts without getting overwhelmed by the commitment itself. The guide flows through 5 really simple steps. First up, you identify your triggers, so you know exactly what you're dealing with. Second, you introduce daily mindfulness practices, just to ground yourself. Third, you reflect and reframe those negative thoughts when they pop up. Fourth, you set intentional goals to guide your focus for the day. And fifth, you celebrate small wins to build positive momentum. It's a straightforward roadmap to rebuilding clarity, one manageable action at a time. Part 3, building calm and clarity. Let's talk about setting the right expectations. As we start applying this method, we need to set realistic expectations. The goal isn't to magically erase anxiety or banish every difficult thought forever. Instead, just look at the contrast and how we handle those thoughts. In the before state, we're just reacting to all that mental noise, feeling completely paralyzed by analysis. But in the after state, we are thoughtfully approaching our daily challenges with intentional calm and clarity. We're shifting from being a victim of our thoughts to becoming an intentional observer. You cultivate this clarity through really grounded, actionable habits. We're talking about engaging in present moment awareness and using reflection journaling to safely externalize your worries. Getting them out of your head and onto paper makes a huge difference. It also involves actively reframing those negative inner narratives and setting just 1 to 3 small, intentional goals each morning to anchor your day. It's all about doing these small things consistently to build a reliable, steady foundation of calm. Part 4, simple steps for beginners. Now, if you're sitting there feeling overloaded at the mere thought of adding one more thing to your to-do list, take a deep breath. The practices in this framework take just minutes a day. Literally minutes. They are perfect for your morning commute, a quiet lunch break, or right before you go to bed. These mindful moments are designed specifically to be woven seamlessly into the margins of your existing schedule. You absolutely do not need a massive lifestyle overhaul to find a little bit of peace. I absolutely love this quote from the guide because it captures the whole essence of the framework perfectly. It's not about perfection. It's about presence.
It's such a gentle reminder that you're just taking small, easy steps toward reclaiming your mental space. You're learning to be kind to yourself along the way, rather than grading yourself on how perfectly you manage your thoughts. Presence is a practice, right? It's not a final destination.
Part 5. Reclaim your peace today. Let's look at how to start right now. As we wrap up this explainer, we'd love to invite you to take that very first gentle step. We highly encourage you to download the free guide, The 7-Day Mind Reset. It serves as a really approachable, entirely free starting point to help you turn down the volume of your mental noise, allowing you to start practicing these simple daily habits entirely at your own pace. So I want to leave you with a final thought to mull over. Are you ready to embrace the quiet and reclaim your peace of mind? Ask yourself, what would it actually feel like to wake up tomorrow with a clear mind? Free of that heavy fog, ready to embrace the day with purpose, intention, and real tranquility. The journey to that feeling begins with a single mindful step. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.